Can you solve this in 3 seconds? Quick! What's 34 plus 58? Don't grab a calculator. Let's solve it in your head in seconds.
Time up!
Today, I'll show you easy mental math techniques to add numbers quickly. No pen, no paper. First, break down the numbers. 34 is 30 plus 4, and 58 is 50 plus 8. 30 and 50 adds up to 80. Then 4 and 8 adds up to 12. Now add 80 and 12. So 34 plus 58 is 92. Let's try another one. 69 plus 45.
Time up!
Okay, let's level up with 3-digit numbers. 176 plus 258.
Time
Boom.
up!
434, faster than your calculator. Now, let's put you to the test. What's 549 plus 678? Pause the video and try it. Got it? Let's check.
Time up!
That's how you can add numbers mentally, by breaking them into smaller parts. If you like this trick, hit the like button, subscribe for more mental math hacks, and share this video with a friend who hates calculators.